Okay, so since we have viewed the visual learning bridge, now we're ready to do our guided practice here on page 556. Okay, so the first thing we have is 2 plus 12. So for this one, we are going to start with the larger number, and we are going to start at 12 and add 2. We go over 1, 2, which the answer is 14. Okay, the next one, we have 5 plus 40. Same thing. We're going to start at the larger number, 40, and we're going to add 5 ones. So remember, when we get to the end, instead of going over, there's no more numbers. We go down to the beginning of the next line. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, our answer is 45. Okay, the next one we have 13 plus 20. Now here we have two options. We could, like we always say, start at the larger number, 20, and add 13 ones. Okay, we could count by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Or we could add by tens and then 1. So if we start, we see we have 110 in the number 13. Remember, when we add a 10, we go down one row. So there's 10. And then now I have to add my 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. My answer is 33. Now let's try it one other way that you might like better. Both options are fine. Just pick whatever works best for you. Okay, when we're adding just a number by a decade number, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, you have the option of starting at the smaller number and just adding the tens, because then you're only going down. You don't have to go over, you're just going down because there's only tens, no ones. So let's say we started at 13 and we see that 20 has two tens. So ready? I add 1 10, 2 tens, and I land on 33. Okay? We got the same answer both ways that we did it. So it doesn't matter what you like better, whether it's always starting at the bigger number and then adding, or if you're adding a decade number, starting at the smaller number and just adding by going down tens. All right, so here we have 31 plus 10. Okay, we're going to start with our bigger number, which is 31. And we're just adding 10. So we are going down 1. So our answer is 41. And last but not least, we have 32 plus 6. So I'm going to start at my larger number, 32, and I'm adding 6 ones. So I'm going to the side to the larger number, not down. I'm only adding 1. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My answer is 38. Okay. I want you to go on to the next page, the independent practice, on your own. You could use your hundreds chart that is found in your folder if you want to use your eraser side of your pencil so you're not putting marks all over it. You could just use this to go down or over. Or you could put your hundred chart in your communicator I sent home and use a dry erase marker. That way, after every time you do it, you can erase it. I hope this helps. Please ask if you have any questions. Good luck.